welcome back to my video, my channel. So for those who know and those who don't know, my name is Brittany and I'm back with another video. Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understand. So guys, I know it's been a while since I've posted a video and I do have an explanation. So if you guys like watched the video that I posted before right now, then you'll see my explanation right there. But yeah, don't mind those boxes. Oh god, it's dark in here. But yeah guys, so in today's video I think I'm just gonna go for a walk and I don't know. I haven't vlogged in so long guys, like, well, to be honest, I have, well, let me just feel like my squeeze through there, so when it was up against space I didn't have to squeeze through. But anyways, it was like I would like vlog stuff and then delete it and then revlog and then delete it and stuff like that. So like, you know, so I think because of that, I hope I don't delete this vlog. I hope it reaches to YouTube and you guys get to see it. But yeah, so work it up. So I'll be seeing you guys where I'm going, but yeah, not to just see me. I'll see you guys. I'll take you guys with me wherever I'm going, so you guys can, like, you know. And I'm also like telling myself that this winter I think I'm gonna go out a lot more. So yeah. But here's my brother. So, half brother. Yeah. Alright.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
So we finally got downtown by the river. That's where we are right now. You guys are probably familiar with it, but I don't think you guys have seen it. So it's like 5:30ish. Because it's this year, like last year them time here, it was like snowing, like lots of snow. This year it's like one drop of snow from the ground, right? So making use of the weather while it's like this. Because today kind of nice, kind of warmish, still chilly, coldish, but you know.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
So I was gonna show you guys my outfit. I probably show you guys in a bit, but the place kind of chilly, like I mentioned. So I'm gonna show you guys like this. Look, kind of like a free gym. So if you're like if you're like here in Saskatoon and you're downtown, you know, you come for a little jog by the river, you can always stop by here, do a little gym thing. Guys, like, it is just beautiful. Like, let me show you guys. Guys, it is just so beautiful down here. So it's not video this week, but here it is. So I have a couple of a machine ting I can use. I don't want to like show it, like there are like people, I don't know. duh, you bring your own. But like, I don't have a basketball. Too bad. So guys, this is a basketball court. So this is a basketball court, guys. Eh? You bring your own a ball. So you know, has a lot of hoops you guys can shoot in. You know, it's like big, and they're kind of like separated. So like I guess this right here, these two are like for the main. These are just if you want to like shoot hoop, and then there's like a smaller one down there. So yeah, you guys. So yeah, guys, it's like so beautiful down here. Like I would come down here and I walk, like you know, like a little chill date, but you're a little, you know, like a spooky. Come down here and just have like a nice chill vibe, or like even if it's like just a friend or a relative, come here want me something over the people I'm reeling, and me know say if it drop down there it's just a gone. But yeah, like just like a chill vibe with like a friend or a sibling or parents, you know, like just it's just so quiet too. So guys, just found 2 balls, but the owner of the ball are like the people who are over there, super nice people. They said that we can borrow their balls. That kind of sound wrong. That we can borrow their basketball and thing. So gonna shoot some hoops, right? My bag.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
2 minutes in. 2 minutes in. 2 minutes in. I'm girl tired. That's not right. Why am I so out of shape and unfit? Like, if someone you know me back in high school, you know that I used to play badminton, and that was like a sport that could go for a bit, you right? And so tell me why the hell I'm out of breath after 2 minutes. 2 minutes of standing right here and shooting hoops. And I guess I'm not really along the whole court, you know. No, guys. Girl is too unfit. So I'm going to shoot from here, so. Ready? No, man. Girl need to go to the gym. Or girl need to like... No, and guys, to say that I work with kids, right? And there was this kid that loves to run, and so I'm always active with that kid. I'm not this out of breath with that kid, you know, but 2 minutes. No man. And to start a gym with these kids, I run laps. No man. Something wrong. I'm blaming the court, I'm blaming the ball. It's a sport. It's the sports. Yeah, bright outside the ground I run no laps in this weather.
Horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It's like 5:52, guys, and the place dark up. Like, no man, you can see that it's coming to be. It's like going. Me talk foolish. Thank you. You guys can see that winter is coming up soon. Well, soon winter is coming, but the snow is not here yet. How about you?
Not you.
Oh, come here, say. So, me drink my local kiddies drinks where I get earlier. So, drink up my local rehydration. Yeah, but that was a good little sports run, you know, that was fun. But yeah, guys, that was a little nice basketball thingy. Girl had fun. On to the next thing. Oh. Alright. So, on to the next event. Don't ask me what the next event be, you know, guys. I don't know. Just kind of winging it as we go along. Oh, them people are whistle. Not Tweety Bird. But I think we're going back to the car because parking time's supposed to up now. So, you know, yeah. Good. Guys, tell him from day one, get a winter jacket, what I'm saying. Them something that big and bulky. Now wear it. Wear him hoodie. Now cold bite him. Him tore them freeze off. So long nail curry book, yeah. Boat drive, go back to Jamaica. So guys, just got home and like it's like what? Look a bit after 6:26. So come home because it's like really dark out and cold and I'm kind of tired because I went to bed like 4 last night. I woke up 7 this morning to go to school and stuff, right? So it's like kind of been a long day, so I'm quite really tired. So I'm probably just gonna watch a movie till I fall asleep, and then I'll continue the vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow's a Saturday, so guys, it's the next day. Well, yeah, next day in the afternoon. It's like 7:30 right now. I'm just getting ready to go to the festival of oh gosh, I don't remember the name. I'll put the name right here. Basically, it's this thing at the forestry farm at the zoo that has like, it's like lights, Christmas lights, forestry thingy. It's like 2.5 kilometers, I think. And it's just like, you guys will see it. I don't know how to explain it, but you guys will see it. It's like fun, and they have it apparently every year. And this is my first year going. By the way, guys, I did my nails last night. I kind of tried that, what's it called? That where they use the makeup to do it. What's it? The eyeshadow thingy. Or I use blush. So gave me this color thingy. Because I don't wear makeup, so I don't even have eyeshadow. I just had a blush that I got last year from somebody. So I just used it. Because I'm like, what else am I going to use it for? I don't wear blush. So, yeah. And so, I'm going to head out in just a bit. I'm going to show you guys my outfit check. So, guys, this is the outfit. Just simple tights. And simple black top. And that great thing is actually my long johns. Because it's really cold out, y'all. So I just put some long johns underneath these tights because they're not that thick. They're not thermal tights. So long johns, these, and just a regular top. And I have my winter coat over because it is outdoor. It should be cool. It should be like, I mean, it's gonna be like 3 degrees or between 1 to 3 degrees, right? But the difference between 3 degrees in the morning and 3 degrees in the night is that at night there's no sun, so it's cold and it might be windy. Girl, not no chance because girl might go freeze, right? So even though there's no snow right now, girl not no chances. Girl have to stay warm, so no chance it is. So yeah, ready? And ooh, like a big belly, you know, guys. Like I have a huge belly, but it's doing the job. And I'm not even pulling it in, I'm pulling it, right? So it is doing the job, y'all. The long johns and tights doing the job of keeping it all together. Yeah, making girl look slim and, you know. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys when I'm either on my way there or when I'm there. See you guys in a bit. So guys, the line to go in was like ridiculously long. Like it went all the way out onto the highway. Well, the road, whatever, the main road. And you know, this is us just waiting, and we actually waited for half an hour, but we finally got in. So enjoy the view. gonna get something to eat because, you know. So this is what I got. So guys, I finally got home, and the name of the place, the name of the thingy was the Enchanted Forest. It wasn't bad, but it could have been better. Like, all right, I think this is probably my fault, but apparently they only had like just like what 3-4 days of where you can walk through the forest, and then from now until January 7 it's only drive through. Like, you can only drive, you can't walk. And I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, so of course I was gonna be there today. So I'm like, there's like no vehicles near the vehicle that I was in. So of course, you know, girl got out and girl walked a bit, because had I not walked, the whole experience would have been like probably 5-6 minutes by just driving through it. So I was like, hell no, I pay money to go in. I am not just spending 6 minutes, right? And then there's a sign about how you're not supposed to stop your vehicle. You're supposed to stay in your vehicle and keep going. And I'm like, so that basically 5 minutes tops. So I'm like, yeah, no. So of course, girl got out, and I walked a bit, so that way I could like savor the moment of everything that was there. Right? I mean, there was like you guys saw there was pretty good decorations and stuff. Could have been a little bit more, like, you know, the trees. More trees could have been lit, but it was good. I feel like maybe next year if I'm going, I should definitely walk instead of driving. So I should go on one of those days when it's just walking. Yeah. Then next thing, we went to Popeyes afterwards and got something to eat. I ordered all right, here's just what I did, guys. So whenever I order nuggets, if I order 8, I usually get a little bit more than 8, and then I don't eat 8 anyways. So what I started doing is, instead of paying how much money for an 8-piece nuggets meal, order a 6-piece nuggets kid meal. Because the amount of fries that I get, it just always seems to be more than when I order the 8-piece meal. And then I can eat 6 pieces, and then I get the same size drink. So honestly, the only difference is that the kids meal is cheaper and I get 2 nuggets less, but everything else is the same. So the drinks is still the same size as had I ordered a regular 8-piece meal and stuff like that. So of course, girl other kids meal because girl not waste money, and girl don't eat 8 pieces anyways. So that's what I did, and then I just decided to try their 5-piece ghost pepper wings because it was on sale, and it wasn't spicy to me. But then again, a lot of things up here are not spicy to me. You know, my spice tolerance level is kind of high, so yeah. But yeah, so that was today. Didn't really do much today. Kind of wasn't feeling up to it this morning. Woke up with a headache, so I just went back to bed. And then when I woke up in the afternoon, I just did a little bit of cleaning, and then went to the Enchanted Forest. Yeah, and that is that. I do know though that no, I don't think I'll vlog that. I was just about to tell you guys, because I know that pretty soon, for a school field trip, we're going back to the forestry farm. But it's like, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna promise you guys I will vlog in that because I'm not sure, right? Because some days I can, depending on the student's behavior. Some days I can't, right? So if the student is calm, then it's easy to like take pictures and stuff. If not, then I gotta like give all my focus to that student. So yeah, no, probably not. But that is that for today. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'm not sure if I'm going to church because now I'm hearing like mixed news about whether or not church is keeping. I think some people are gone on some retreat, and then I have no clue what's going on. But anyways, maybe I go, maybe not. You guys will probably find out tomorrow. Then I'll show you guys my Sunday cooking. Again, me's no big chef, so nobody don't come for me and say, oh, you're not safe. Me's no big chef, and I promise. Somebody say me a chef. I just know if I do my little thing. And again, whatever I put in my food is what I eat. So anything gonna go in comments and be like, oh, should I use whatever? Maybe girl don't eat it, so girl not gonna cook with it. Okay, so allow me. Thank you very much. All right. Yes. All right, guys. So that's it for tonight. I'm gonna have some wine and what am I better? Well, probably watch a movie. Yeah, cause it's kind of early right now. So gonna have some wine, watch a movie. Well, I need to shower, so have a shower first. Some wine, watch a movie, then go to my bed. Yes, that is it for tonight. Alright, guys. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out, guys. So guys, don't wanna think I'm going to church. Like, I actually got ready. Like, girl got ready and all, you know, but I don't think I'm gonna go because it's late right now. And I'd be like an hour late and all that. And I haven't cooked yet. I have work tomorrow. And it's like 6:46. I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna cook, have my dinner, meal prep for tomorrow and stuff like that. Because basically I spent the day decorating. Well, not decorating, cleaning and stuff like that. Washing, decorating. I was on the road to, like, I changed my decor that was here. If you guys have seen previous videos, you'd have probably had an idea about what used to be here. So I changed it to green. Then I went on and changed here, added something to some accent to the wall, you know, like, yeah. So right now my niece is here, by the way, as well. So, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and cook and have my nice dinner and I'll have something there. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Probably won't show what I'm cooking. I know I did say I'm gonna show you guys my little Sunday dinner, but hear me out. My phone is being used for something else, and girl is, you know, so yeah. So I'll cook, but I'm gonna show you the finished product, and we can show you like in between. So maybe try showing like in between because yeah, but you know, yeah. So see you guys in a bit. Just kind of done cook. So chicken done fry. I'm gonna fry the chicken. Potato just done boil. I wait for mash. Right now, I'm blending up the carrot juice and the rice done cook. So yeah, just so she wanted to look a presentation and sing and sing. So guys, I made two different kind. I made the one with milk and the one with no milk. So guys, just done. All right, so the food share out now, right? I'm going to look a peek at it. So, well, you can't see it. This is what it look like. A little bit extra. And then I have my niece on. I promise you guys the chicken is not that dark. It's the lighting that makes it look darker than it is. It's actually a reddish looking color, dark red kind of like, because it's like barbecue sweet and sour. I mix those two sauces together because I like how they taste together. With a little bit of paprika to give it a little redness, so it's not that dark. This is mine, and of course a little bit of champagne. And you know, I gave my niece some in our some fruit punch drink, and of course a wine glass as well. So see her over there, so on her iPad. So yes, I'm gonna let her eat now, and then probably watch a movie together. I don't know, cause she's staying the night, so I don't know, but we'll see. I also did my meal prep already, so like the rice, the corn, the stuff that you're not seeing on the plate. Those are the things I'm taking for lunch to work. And I don't really eat heavy for dinner anyways, because they're watching our weights. They don't want to get too fat now. So yeah, so that is basically it for this vlog. Loved you guys so much. I like my pajama, by the way. Anyways, love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys like the vlog, and don't tell a friend to tell a friend, tell your mother, your father, your papa, every single soul. Love you guys so much, and stay safe. Peace out.